Hi YouTube fellows, I hope all of you are in a very great health. So let's begin the video. The first word is notion. Notion mean belief, or you can say opinion about something. Like there's this opinion about men that they are very strong, which is obviously correct to a point but not to some. So that's that. The other word is dilemma. It means tough choices between two categories that you are not satisfied with each. I mean, you have to choose between something about which you are not quite sure about. So the next is monotony. It means boredom. So the monotony of this daily university routine makes me sick. That's how you use it in a sentence. The very next word is mobbed. So this means unpleasant feeling, mostly related to death. Mean your mental state provokes you to think about these kind of stuff, which is not normal for a good mind health human being, right? The very next is paramount, which means most important. Like respect is the paramount in any of marriage. The very next is transient or transient. It means very temporary. Like you can relate this word to your life because it's very temporary, very transient. You never know what's going to happen next. So live a single moment of your life with happiness. The next word is articulate. It means to vividly express whatever you feel. Like sometimes you may not be articulate what incites you, and you may not be able to express that. So that's articulate. This is doom scrolling. It means to consume all the negativity from social media. Like we are living in a digitalization era where everybody has phone, everybody has laptops, and they have all the Twitter accounts, they have all the Instagram accounts, but you consume all the negativity rather than inspiring yourself from the positivity. So that's doom scrolling. And last but not the least is metaphoric. It means a language which describes the image between two things comparatively. Like for instance, if I say you are a bright shining star, it doesn't mean you're a ball of gases. It means you are very intelligent. So that's how you compare. It's a language that compares things. So I hope I've explained this well enough to you. Please be positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.